Why, hello, grade twos. Welcome to my dining room, which is kind of our classroom now. What I thought I'd do today is just go over the math review for our test. So, just to make sure you've got the answers right. So, if you can please find this page, your math test review, and we're going to start on this question. Find 10 to solve. So, we have 29 plus 30 equals what? Now I've got some blocks here. I have 10 put together and another 10. So I have 10, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 29 plus 30. 10, 20, 30. Now if we're going to do find 10 to solve, I'm going to take this 1 and this 0, and I'm just going to leave them alone. And I have two 10s. So that is 20, and we can see the 10 and 20 over here. And then I'm going to take this 3 plus 30. So here's our 30 right here. And if I have 10, 20 plus 30, I'm going to count them 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and put the answer right here, 50. Because it's easier to count by tens in our head than adding the ones. So now I'm going to look at the ones. So I have 9 ones, oh, and 0 ones. And 9 plus 0 is 9. So then I'm going to add going down. 0 plus 9 is 9. 5 plus nothing is 5. So the answer is 59. Now I know that there are other ways to do this, but right now we're doing mental math, and mental math is trickier, and we always want to find 10 to do that. Now we have another example right here, 43 plus 26. And if we look at our blocks, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, and 26. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to first separate my 40 and my 20, and it looks like this when we write it down. 40 plus 20. I'm going to save these guys for down here. So if I have 40 plus 20, let's count by tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 40 plus 20 equals 60. And then I have 3 plus 6. Let's look at our blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. And when I add down, I have 9, 6, and the answer is 69. And I know that's true because if I count all of the blocks together over here, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the next question is, I think, the one that caused the most thinking. So we did a lot of these in class, but I think some of us forgot over the break. So now I have 34 minus 18. Now I want you to see what happens with the blocks here. If I have 34, so I have 10, 20, 30, 34 blocks. And I want to take away 18. That's tricky because we have not learned something called regrouping yet, but we will learn it really soon. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our 100 chart. So because our question is 34 minus 18, what I want to do is I want to start on my 34, and again, I'm saving that 8. I'm going to use that later. I'm just going to first take away 10. So on my 100 chart, we're going to put our fingers at 34. Now we know that if we're taking away, the number has to be less. So we're going to move up on our 100 chart. So 34 minus 10, we're going to get the answer 24. That's pretty easy to do in our heads. We could do 34 minus 10 and get 24 in our heads. But now let's not forget, we still have to take away the 8. So let's see what happens. So we had 34 minus 10 was 24. And now we still have to take away 8. So let's go backwards 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And did you land on 16 for that? Because that's going to be our answer. Now for this one, 26 minus 13. Of course, we're going to start at 26. We're going to save that for later. And I have a 1 here, so I'm going to take away 10. So if I have 26, and I'm going to take away 10, I will go up a square. And that gives us 16. Whoops. But let's not forget, we still have to take away that 3. So we're going to start over. 26, take away 10 is 16. Take away 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And I hope you landed on 13.